a little too far. Back up. Hey, back up a hair. Back up a hair. A little more, just a little more. Okay. Now set it down.
Hey, we're going to use that pallet again.
I know, I'll carry it.
To help you set it out.
Yeah, it's good. Hey, upside down. Good plan. Spin around here. Stop, let me get this chain.
Go ahead and grab it.
I was going to get earlier and forgot. You're good. Watch your thing. You're good. You're good. Go ahead, I'll tell you. You watch the front, I'll tell you. Come on. Come on. All right, hey! Can you go down with that? Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. That's about center, right? Nice. Hold on. If you go all the way through, you're going to hit that other one. Right? So you got to stop there. Oh.